Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel here, and we're here for another Q&A Thursday video. I'm here with Adam from Viewership.
Hey everyone.
And this week's question is...
This is from Ashish, and he says, "Hi Neil, how do I convince people to sign up for my email list?"
This is really simple. I love this question. And the reason I say it's simple is because it's the most obvious thing that a lot of people don't do. And it's funny, even with me, it's those things that stare you in front of your face that you're looking at that you may not realize is there that you should be leveraging or doing. So you already know basic things like pop-ups. And yeah, you can do a pop-up. It's going to irritate people, but you can use tools like HelloBar to do a pop-up. And you can cookie people, so that way they only see it once and they see it upon them leaving. That's on exit. When you're doing a pop-up, it shouldn't just be put in your email. If I tell you and you come to my site and say, put in your email, what are you going to do?
No, click out of it.
Yes, but your goal on your website is to increase your traffic. You went from 1,000 to 7,500 a day.
Right.
And if I told you I can teach you how to double your traffic in 30 days, what would you do?
Absolutely.
You'd put in your email.
Definitely.
Make it really simple. Give them something that's worthwhile. Create an ebook, a course, something that's super detailed, and make that your opt-in. You can also do one in your sidebar.
Right.
The best one isn't pop-ups. It's not your sidebar opt-ins. It's going to be content upgrades. You can also create this within HelloBar. It's really simple. When someone's reading a list like 10 ways to double your traffic, within the first 3 paragraphs, do a little opt-in box that says, download the cheat sheet on 10 ways to double your traffic, or download the cheat sheet and get 10 more bonus ways to double your traffic. That'll be your highest converting offer ever. I've tested out so many different variations that crushes everything. Put them in there, and you have to create unique ones for different blog posts. It takes more work, but you'll get the most amount of emails. You can do this all for free with HelloBar. Doesn't cost you a single dollar. Test it out. It works really well. Another thing that I tested, and we'll show you this on the screen, I do an exit pop-up on neilpatel.com where my exit pop-up shows an animation. So mine tells you, hey, do you want to, I rank #1 for online marketing. I'll teach you how to do this as well. And I show you in the background how I rank #1, and I show you a glimpse of what you're going to get when you opt in. One of my highest converting opt-ins, the reason being is I'm not just telling you why you should opt in, I'm showing you what you're going to get, and you're much more likely, because when you put in your email, what's your biggest fear?
That they're just going to spam you.
Yes, but if you show people, and I do this with the animated GIF, and again, you can do this with HelloBar for free, you're much more likely to put it in your email address.
Right.
How do you collect emails from your site?
3 ways: through a webinar, through an opt-in, or through a quiz.
Yes. Webinars work really well. Quizzes, you can use lead quizzes. It converts extremely well.
Really high.
The problem with webinars is you won't get the most amount of leads, but the amount of emails you get, although the amount's going to decrease, they'll be the highest quality of emails that you get, and they're much more likely to convert in a customer. Not only can you get them to convert right then and there, assuming you're doing evergreen webinars through EverWebinar, but you can also get them to buy from you on the back end through upsells, downsells, drip campaigns. But that's usually the way most people do emails. It's not too much more complicated than that. You don't need to do crazy things like create tools or spend $20,000, $30,000 doing anything crazy. Like, just keep it simple.
Totally. And just on that note, something I've recently done that's doing really well is a quiz, then the results page of the quiz, then they sign up for a webinar. So because you get a really cheap,
that's cool.
So you get really cheap like quiz is like 15 cents per lead, but then whatever the result is, it's like, hey, now sign up for this webinar and I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem.
Yeah, and that's awesome. And you can do a few different webinars based on
their pain points.
Yeah, their pain points based on the quiz that they took. Right. Amazing way to generate sales. Just get creative. And if you're looking for more emails, write blog content, promote it on the web. We talked about BuzzSumo in the past. You can also do really creative things like Adam saying here, which just buy ads. The moment you have monetization set up, you can scale this out using Facebook and YouTube ads.
For sure, for sure.
That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be there to answer. If you want something to be covered in the next week's Q&A Thursday video, leave a comment, let us know, and we may pick it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Appreciate everything. And if I can ever do anything to help you out, just ask. I really do want to see you succeed and grow.